Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could easily be the best mechanical keyboard on the market right now. The MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This compact powerhouse is designed for gamers and professionals alike who crave performance without sacrificing space on their desk. Let's start with the basics. The MageGee MK box features a 68-key layout, which is perfect for those who want a minimalist design without losing essential functionality. It's equipped with mechanical red switches, known for their smooth linear action and minimal key sound. This makes it ideal for both intense gaming sessions and productive work hours. Moving on to design, the keyboard boasts a classic blue LED backlight that can be customized with up to 15 different lighting modes. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a vibrant pulse, you can easily adjust it using the intuitive key combinations provided. The keyboard also features full anti-ghosting, ensuring that every keystroke registers accurately, even during the most demanding gaming sequences. In terms of compatibility, the MageGee MK box uses a USB 2.0 connector, making it plug-and-play compatible with Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. No need for additional drivers or software installations, which is always a plus for convenience. From an ergonomic standpoint, this keyboard doesn't disappoint. It includes adjustable double kickstand feet for a comfortable typing angle, along with a detachable USB cable for easy transport and storage. The keycaps are designed with double color injection for durability and a sleek aesthetic. To sum it up, the MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard impresses on multiple fronts. Whether you're a gamer looking for precise control and responsiveness, or a professional needing a reliable and space-saving keyboard, this model delivers. Its blend of compact design, robust performance, and customizable features makes it a standout choice in today's competitive keyboard market. If you're interested in upgrading your gaming or work setup with a MageGee MK box, check out the link in the description below to find out more details and current pricing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.